This video will show you how to access the students' accommodations when they are shared with you through eSped. You will first receive an email from portal@esped.com indicating that you have a document shared with you for a particular student. The email will resemble this. Once you receive the email, you will go to esped.com. So you would type in your email address of esped.com, and then you would sign in with your username and password. Your username is your complete Magnolia ISD email address. Your password will be Magnolia 19, Magnolia with a capital M and then 19. And then you will click sign in. If you have changed your password, if you used eSped last year and you changed your password, it will be whatever password you changed it to last year. Once you log in, you will notice that you have several things across the top. You have shared documents, frontline resources, and district resources. You also have My Settings here on the right-hand side. My Settings is where you can change your password to something other than Magnolia 19. And you would click on the button here to change your password. Okay, now to access the accommodations that have been shared with you. If you notice under shared documents, there's a number 5. That means I have 5 new shared documents for me. Click on the shared documents, and you will notice there are several that are listed as new and several that are not listed as new. This one that I've just received the email for said it's a SPED shared document with BIP. I have a comment of John Smith will be the case manager for this student. The student's name is here, and I have the opportunity to review the document and sign the document. When you click on review the document pulls up, and you have the opportunity to print or download the document. And so I have accommodations for the student, STAR accommodations, some goals and objectives, and a behavior intervention plan. So at this time I could print it, download it, or just keep it here because these will always be available for you to go back in and look at, and that is your choice as to how you save it. So I can close review, or I can sign the document. I'm going to go ahead and close review. Now the document no longer says new, but it is still here and available for me to view. I viewed it, I know what the accommodations are for the student, and I want to sign the document. It says by clicking commit, you will submit this document as signed. And so the case manager that has shared the document with you will receive an email saying that you have reviewed it and you have signed it. So I'm going to hit commit, and it says this document has now been signed. Okay. And it switched to signed. Okay. So we will be able to see when I log in as a special education teacher the date and time that you have signed for your document. So in order to come back in, you would follow the same steps, and you can go in and review your accommodations that you've received for students at any time during the school year that you have that student in your class. If for some reason you have any questions or concerns or any difficulty logging in, you can contact me at cjohnson@magnoliaisd.org, and I will be able to help reset any passwords that you don't remember that you set up last year.